Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna add a couple Fujifilm photos, and this is the original RAF format for the Fujifilm. What I did was I did an enhanced details option, and it created a DNG file called -enhanced in the Lightroom. It's almost similar. The quality is not that obvious when it is backlight. So anyway, I'm gonna start on this one, and the first thing I'm gonna do is just patch a little bit in front of the eye so I can see just some slight difference here, and soften the skin in this one. And because it's backlight, so backlight sometimes is more like dreamy. It doesn't have to be super sharp in the backlight. Let me increase the contrast. And then reduce maybe -5. Okay, so and all the information that it's written, the white balance, you can do cloudy dates or different white balance, match your feed. I'm gonna set it as short in this warmer light right here, and let me check the yellow. Yep, you can reduce the yellow lights a little bit or make it more toward the more red side. I'm looking at this, that's the overall framing, and for Instagram crop I can crop it like this. Just leave some headroom on here. I'm gonna add some shadow in front just for light up the front side. Okay, so that's the overall cropping. And the 23mm f1.4, the flare always have the strong line in the sun flare. That's fine. I'm just gonna leave that to export it once I finish. The next one, I'm gonna just copy this one. So this one I'm not gonna do the enhanced detail, just add some more light in front and some shadow in the front area. So you can take a look at the side thumbnail just to check it out, the overall framing. It might be too close to the top on the cropping. I might just get more headroom on top. slightly rotate a little bit more. Okay, so that's good, and then I'm gonna export this one. Next one, first thing I'm gonna adjust the wall, just make it cleaner overall. So all these little points sometimes is annoying to me, and add more lights in front. Slightly smooth the skin here, and then I'm going to do a crop. And I'm gonna adjust the tone in the color as well. So once I finish this crop, I might do one more shadow. So that it's brighter. Next one I'm gonna do is change the yellow to be less yellow. You can see the difference. There's a huge amount of yellow on the side. I'm gonna deselect those and make it brighter. Even the blue on the ground also. So reduce the blue. And the green, just make the color more like simple. And then the next thing I'm going to do is adjust all the lighting. Sometimes I adjust the lighting first and then adjust the color, but in this case I'm adjusting the lighting right now. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. Oh, let me add this. So I want to try this enhanced detail, and from the enhanced detail you can see the difference. Because it's not backlights, I will check it out. Without enhanced, with enhanced, it seems adding more green, so I'm not gonna do the enhanced detail in here. Just make the color simpler for this one. Shadow, a little bit more shadow in here. And then what I'm gonna do is portraiture 3 instead of the so portraiture 3, edit, and then you will load up the portraiture 3 screen. Then you select the color of the skin tone, then select it. Okay, so once it finished, you can see the file is TIFF file. Then in that case, now it's nice. I can adjust the lighting a little bit more. Okay, so that's good to me, and then I'm gonna export it out. So that's a quick edit from these 3 Fujifilm files. Stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.